I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with double knitting yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation row in multiples of 11 plus 1. Okay, I have worked my foundation row. In the third stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, make a double crochet. And double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made a double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Chain 2 and turn, and that counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain 2 and turn. That counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in each stitch across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and I still have a count of multiples of 11 across the row. Chain 2 and turn. Counts as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the equivalent of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this stitch, I'm going to make my first flower. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, and pick up the yarn, and pull it through 2. That's my first double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in that space between the 2 double crochets. Repeat a double crochet with a picot to make 10 of these in that same stitch. So if yarned around the hook, make a double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in that space between the 2 double crochet. I'm going to make one more and I'll go ahead and finish all 10. So double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the space between the double crochets. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a total of 10 in that one stitch. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 10 double crochets with a picot, all in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull the loop up a bit and remove the hook. Now fold the flower to the front and find your first picot, and then in the stitch behind the picot, insert your hook from the front to the back, then go over and pick up that loop and pull it through, and then tighten it up like that. Chain 1. Fold the flower to the front, and then double crochet in the next 10 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the next stitch, I'm going to make another one of these flowers. So double crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the space between the double crochet. I'm going to repeat to make 10 in the same stitch. Like that. In that same stitch, I'm going to do the same thing as this flower. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked my 10 double crochets with the picot in that stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull the hook from that loop, fold the flower down to the front, find that first picot, insert the hook into the stitch after the picot from the front to the back, pick up that loop, pull it over and into there, and tighten it up. Chain 1. Move the flower over, double crochet in the next 10 stitches. Okay, I've double crocheted in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this stitch, I'm going to make another flower. So I'm making a flower in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the space between the 2 double crochets. And I'm going to go ahead and make 10 all in the same stitch. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished my 10. Pull up the loop, fold the flower down to the front, find that first picot, insert the hook in that stitch after the picot, pick up the loop and pull it through, tighten up the loop, chain 1. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a flower in this last stitch. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished that flower. I have 5 stitches left. I'm going to double crochet in each of the 5 remaining stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So between each of these flowers I have 10 stitches. I have 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the beginning of the row, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the end of the row. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. When you reach the flower, the stitch that you will work into is the chain 1. So double crochet in each stitch across the row, and I should still have my multiples of 11. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch across the row. So all the way across the row, and I'm going to work a total of 3 rows of double crochet between the flowers. I have 1, 2, 3 rows of double crochet, and now this next row I'm going to do these flowers again. And if you have an opening there that shows, take that last double crochet and tug it over, and then take this first one and tug it over as well, and then that should even out that opening. So if you wanted to, you could just line up your flowers like this, or you can stagger them. And I'm going to show you how to stagger them. So I'm going to make my first flower in the 11th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When I get to stitch number 11, I'm going to make a flower. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double crochet to here, and then I'll show you how to do that. Okay, there's my chain 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the 11th stitch, I'm going to make a flower. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished that flower. You can see that it's staggered between these two. So now I'm going to double crochet in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in this stitch, I'll make another flower. Just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and work across the row. Okay, I've worked across that row, and I have staggered my flowers. And now this next row will be a row of double crochet. So I'm going to work 3 rows of double crochet, and then I will repeat this row, which will be double crochet in the first 5 and start your first flower, double crochet in 10, make the next flower, and continue in that manner.